Okay, here we go. I made it with water. Now I'm excited to try it with milk. Somebody told me to try it with milk. I'm using G Fuel strawberry shortcake, which with milk should taste like almost strawberry milk. Here's the included with G Fuel. You just kind of just keep packing it like that. Pretty sure that's how you're supposed to do it. There. That's good enough for me. I don't need too much. Just pour it in your cup or your mixer that I got. Put the lid back on there so the wind don't blow it away. Then just fill it up with milk. Right at the bottom. Here, I'll show you guys. Just gonna pour milk in there. Right about there is 16 ounces. I like to just fill it up all the way. Still tastes the same to me. Fill it up to there. Use whatever milk you want. I guess people are into almond milk or something there. Didn't see anything wrong with this milk if you weren't allergic to it. Screw your lid on there nice and tight. I'm going to actually do it with my hands so it don't go flying off. And tighten it pretty well. Make sure your lid's down all the way. And give it a good shake. Since I fill mine up a little bit more, you may want to, if you fill it up as much as mine, drink a little bit of it and then fill it up again. Or not fill it up again, shake it some more, because I always have a little bit of crusty down at the bottom. But since this lid is like rounded like that, when you shake it, the liquid goes up and then goes back down. It's not like a flat lid like that. If you shake it, it's just hitting that. This is designed to be shaken. Yeah, there you go. Open it up. And there you go. I'm going to sip a little bit and then look down it. Oh yeah. Oh, it tastes like strawberry milk. That's my first time making it with milk. Oh yeah, that's good. Put that back down. Now I feel it shaking a little bit more. There you go. That is how you make G Fuel with milk. Nothing different than just doing it with water.